Hey everybody, I'm Justin with VMP Performance, and I want to talk with you about our new Apex Predator cold air kit for the 2020 up Shelby GT500. So there's like a lot of good cold airs out there already for the new GT500, but I wanted to do some things differently. Our cold air kit comes with the couplers you need for your throttle bodies. Whether you're running a stock throttle body or our old 105 or the new VMP 108, we've got you covered on the coupler size. And a couple things came out of that engineering and airflow wise. We made the opening here a full 5 inches, wink wink, that'll accommodate a 112 to 120 millimeter throttle body. We made the air filter a full 6 inches, and finally we did a closed box design. You'll get to see this on the car in a minute, but we wanted something that would not get water on the filter because that causes a bunch of weird stuff, and we wanted something to keep heat to a minimum when you're driving around town and in traffic. So this filter actually goes in here, pops in, and now you've got a really nice way to feed a lot of cool air to the supercharger to make all the horsepower and all the boost. But wait, there's more. The more part is our VMP Odin ice tank, which turned into a Predator specific ice tank kit. You guys love this. The problem when you put it on a Predator is you have to modify the existing cold airs that are already out there in the marketplace. We wanted to create an all-in-one solution that was basically meant to work together. So this is the Apex Predator and Predator ice tank combo. You'll be able to purchase just the cold air kit or the cold air and tank combo on our website. With all these parts being designed to work together on the Shelby GT500, they look great, they fit great, and they perform great. For more information, check out the VMP website. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you next time.